Can an unexpected expense send your bank account into a tailspin? Money with wings. What if there was a safety net designed to catch you before you hit rock bottom with overdraft fees? Today, we're diving deep into Ally Bank's overdraft protection, a feature that can be a financial lifesaver for many. We've all been there. You're scrolling through your banking app, confident in your balance, when suddenly, bam! A recurring subscription you forgot about, an auto payment for an unexpected bill, or perhaps that impulse online purchase that pushed you just a little too far. Next thing you know, you're looking at an overdraft fee, and the immediate thought is, seriously? For just a few dollars? It's a frustrating, often costly, experience that can derail your budget and leave you feeling financially vulnerable. Traditional banks, known for their lengthy fee schedules, often capitalize on these moments of oversight, turning a small misstep into a significant financial penalty. But what if a bank offered a different approach, one that prioritized your financial well-being over punitive fees? That's precisely where Ally Bank steps in with its unique and consumer-friendly approach to overdraft protection. They've recognized the common pain points associated with accidental overspending and have engineered a system that aims to mitigate stress and keep your money working for you, not against you. Understanding how this system works is crucial for anyone looking to optimize their banking experience and avoid those dreaded overdraft charges. So, let's peel back the layers and discover the ins and outs of Ally's innovative solution. What is overdraft protection? Thinking face. First, let's define what we're talking about. Overdraft protection is a service offered by banks that helps prevent transactions from being declined and prevents you from incurring overdraft fees when you spend more money than you have in your checking account. Think of it like a financial backup plan. Instead of your card being declined at the grocery store or a bill bouncing, the bank steps in to cover the difference, usually by drawing funds from another linked account or a line of credit. It's designed to provide a seamless experience, but the terms and fees associated with it can vary wildly from one bank to another. Some banks charge a flat fee per overdraft, others a daily fee until the negative balance is resolved, and some even offer grace periods. The key is to understand your bank's specific policy so you can make informed decisions and avoid unexpected charges. This understanding is particularly important in an increasingly digital world where transactions happen instantly, and it's easier than ever to lose track of your real-time balance. Overdraft protection, when structured correctly, can offer peace of mind, knowing that minor miscalculations won't lead to major financial headaches. Ally's approach: no overdraft fees. Party popper. Now, here's where Ally truly differentiates itself. As of June 2021, Ally Bank eliminated overdraft fees entirely. You heard that right, no more $25, $30, or even $35 charges for accidentally spending a few dollars more than you have. This move was a game changer in the banking industry, reflecting Ally's commitment to customer-centric banking. Their philosophy is simple: rather than penalizing customers for minor errors, they focus on helping them manage their money more effectively. This policy applies to all eligible checking accounts, meaning you won't incur a fee if you accidentally overdraw your account, regardless of the transaction type. This is a stark contrast to many traditional banks that still rely heavily on overdraft fees as a significant source of revenue. Ally's decision to forego these fees demonstrates a genuine desire to build trust and foster a healthier financial relationship with its customers. It's a clear signal that they prioritize customer well-being over maximizing profits from punitive charges. This groundbreaking approach has not only garnered positive attention but has also set a new standard for what consumers should expect from their banking institutions. How Ally's overdraft protection works: without fees, bank. So, if there are no fees, what happens when you try to spend more than you have? Ally employs a system designed to either prevent the overdraft or cover it without charging you. There are a few scenarios. Small overdrafts covered: Ally SOS, surprise overdraft service for eligible customers. Ally offers a feature called Ally SOS, surprise overdraft service. If your account is overdrawn by a small amount, Ally may, at its discretion, cover the transaction without charging you a fee. You'll still need to bring your account back to a positive balance, but you won't be hit with an additional charge. This is a fantastic safety net for those truly accidental, minor overspends. It's designed to be a one-time courtesy for small amounts, preventing the immediate rejection of a crucial transaction, like paying for groceries or gas. The key here is small amount and at its discretion, meaning it's not a guarantee for every overdraft, but a valuable lifeline when you need it most. Decline transactions. If the overdraft amount is larger, or if Ally determines it cannot cover the transaction through Ally SOS, the transaction will simply be declined. This might sound inconvenient, but it's a far better outcome than incurring a hefty fee. You'll be notified that the transaction couldn't go through, giving you the opportunity to adjust your spending or transfer funds. While it might cause a momentary inconvenience, it ultimately saves you money and prevents your account from spiraling further into the negative. This proactive approach by Ally empowers you to maintain control over your finances by preventing you from spending money you don't have, without penalizing you for the attempt. Linked savings account overdraft transfer. This is where proactive planning comes in. You can link your Ally bank savings account to your checking account for overdraft protection. If you try to spend more than you have in checking, Ally will automatically transfer funds from your linked savings account to cover the difference. This transfer is fee-free. It's an excellent way to ensure your transactions always go through, provided you have sufficient funds in your linked savings. This feature essentially acts as an automatic, interest-free loan from your own savings, preventing both transaction declines and overdraft fees. It's a smart way to leverage your own money for immediate needs without incurring external charges. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.